So, another issue, problem, downside of van life is today I went to go open a bank account. So I'm basically going to be spending a lot more time here in Mendocino County and basically making Mendocino County my home base. I decided to open an account with a local bank because I hate big banks. They suck, and my bank right now is a credit union in a completely different county, and there's no branches here. So I'd rather just have a bank where I have a branch, local branch. I can go and do my banking when I need to go into a branch. So I go into the branch, open the bank account, and because I don't have an actual street address, I couldn't open an account. I've never had to prove a street address before to open a bank account. This is the first time I've opened a bank account being a van lifer. I've had my other account, the credit union, for years. So it was an issue. Fortunately, I know someone here in town who was willing to give me their address and say that I live with them, and that fixed the issue. It's funny, the lady at the bank said, how'd you get a P.O. box? You have to prove your street address to the P.O. box. I'm like, no, never done that either. I went to Bend, Oregon, got a P.O. box in Bend, didn't have to prove out a street address in Bend. And I came down here to Mendocino, got a P.O. box here, didn't have to prove a street address here. But apparently there's federal regulations for local banks. You have to prove that you live there with a street address. And using the post office box, post offices will let you use their street address and your box number as like the suite number. So for people who don't deliver to P.O. boxes, they'll deliver to that, thinking it's a street address. Didn't work at the bank. They're like, that's a commercial location, you can't live there. So either way, I got it worked out. But just so you know, if you're a van lifer, you're a nomad, and you're going to be in an area and you want to open a bank account there, if you want to open the local bank, I think. The big banks, maybe you don't. I'm never using a big bank. They suck. But if you want to open a little bank, just understand that you're going to have to prove somehow that you have a street address. Because apparently living in your van, that's not really a home. That's not really an address. What are you going to do?